Hey everyone, if you want to install AnyDesk on your computer and start using remote access, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to install AnyDesk in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the official AnyDesk website. Downloading from the official source helps ensure you get the latest and safest version. Next, click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Yeah, the file size is relatively small, so the process should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. This will launch the setup process. Click the Install AnyDesk option and choose where you want the program to be installed, so you can leave the default location if you prefer. If prompted, allow administrator access. This gives AnyDesk permission to install required system components. Now simply wait for the installation process to complete. Yeah, this usually only takes a few seconds. After installation, open AnyDesk. You'll immediately see your AnyDesk address, which can be used to connect with other devices. If you want remote access without approval every time, you can set up unattended access and create a password. This makes future connections easier. Make sure you're running the latest version of AnyDesk, so updates provide security improvements and bug fixes. Finally, test the connection by entering another AnyDesk address. Yeah, this confirms that everything is working properly, and that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.